Hello and welcome to Frank's Car Service. Today is the target to replace the wiper shafts and to do the similar things which we did the last time for the drinker side. We want to do it for the driver's side, and on the driver's side it's a little bit more complicated, so I hope you enjoy it and let's have fun. First of all, of course, the steering wheel has to be taken away, so that I can reach everything. The wiper shaft is hidden now there. I'll get my Milwaukee impact wrench. It will take the screw nut off. And off it is. Next I will dismantle the wipers and unscrew the shaft. Here you can see it slobbering like the devil. You can do that without using a puller. Here we see how the shaft is wobbling. This is really worn out. So now I'm going to take the whole interior parts apart. Dashboard, fixtures and the whole paneling part. Here you can see where the shaft comes through under the dashboard. Here is the hinge, and that has to be removed. Here in the close-up you really well can see the ball head hanging in the linkage and the rusty parts which have to be replaced. The linkage that comes from the wiper motor can be separated quite easily from the ball head. Clock! And this time I lose the fastening screw at the front with a reasonable 22mm open-ended wrench. And out here is the old sloppy thing. The installation continues. There comes the new shaft that I have assembled and welded last time, nicely painted in the new bushing on the driver's side. This is quite a fumbling, but in the end it will be worth it.
Now I have to somehow press the rod onto the ball head with the water pump pliers. I'm going to push the new shaft through the hole in the tailgate. It fits. The main thing is that the linkage keeps on the ball head. From the front side I put on the seal and the 22mm screw nut. What a holy mess! The connecting rod for the right side is still missing. To connect it, however, I have to move the wiper motor briefly, otherwise I can't reach the ball head. And ignition on. Yes, things are better now. If I lock the hexagon nut with the vice grip, I can screw the nut from the front without something slipping out. Now all I have to do is press the connecting rod between the right and left wiper onto the ball head provided. Clock! It's on now too. Looks really great. Everything moves without rattling back and forth. Now I'm putting everything back together. After all the effort with the Wipershafts, I have rewarded myself. buying 2 new wiper arms for the front, 2 new wiper blades for the front, and a completely new wiper blade for the rear. These are the bigger ones, the ones from the W463, a G500, because they just look cool and are also more stable. Of course, all parts are original from the manufacturer himself. I've already screwed the one on the driver's side into place. Then here comes the passenger side. I can see that the difference is really worth it. Well, it's relatively easy to put it on the stop position. Just close to the edge at the bottom and it really wipes the entire area. So, still screwed tightly on the shaft with a 13mm wrench. Not too tight, tighter than very tight is off. Clap on and we're done. At the end of the whole action with welding, drilling and screwing, a function test must of course be done. Ah, that looks very good. I'm thrilled. Parallel, no play, everything wipes. Rain simulation from the spray bottle, to see whether everything really wipes away. It also slips better with water. Last but not least, the unspectacular change of the rear window wiper. I had the Bosch on it formerly, now the original Mercedes is installed. The future will tell whether one is the better one. Since I put the plastic caps back on with grease so that no water gets in, I have to clean away all the dirty grease. The beautiful green color should of course look clean and shiny. Here's the old baggy part from the driver's side. It wobbles like the devil and it's rusted.
So this was the video about changing the wiper shafts, the wiper arms, the blades, and doing a lot of metal work. And I hope you enjoyed it. There will be a lot of new additional videos regarding to off-road things, to other technical things, to my classic car, which is an old Mercedes convertible. It's built from 59. Leave me a subscribe button, that's perfect. Thumb up, I would very much appreciate that. And any comment is welcome. So see you.